Quantitative trading relies on mathematical computation and number crunching to identify trading opportunities. It's used by a number of industry professionals around the world and has generated a fortune for many. However, due to its high barrier of entry, individual traders suffer from the time-consuming technical difficulties, and many of them reverted to manual trading. The cryptocurrency market runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, making it impossible for manual traders to stay 100% up to date with the intense price fluctuations. Introducing the Net Centric trading robot platform. The NetCentric platform provides its users with an easy and customizable way to implement a trading strategy into automated execution. Using indicators such as MA, MACD, RSI, news, and trading signals, crypto bots take advantage of every opportunity on the market. The process of creating a NetCentric bot is based on the principle of a construction kit. The drag, drop, and click actions allow every user to create their own unique trading robot hassle-free. If that is still too much to work with, simply rent a trading expert's bot, receive the most up-to-date trading signals in milliseconds, and never miss a chance to increase your bankroll even when you're asleep. The NetCentric ecosystem also allows users to lend out their trading bots and signals for net token rewards. Net tokens can be later used to add more advanced features to their trading bots or to be exchanged on the secondary market. Join NetCentric today and become the next generation of trading experts.